been like renovating the house. I mean, it's been a massive overhaul. Hello, everybody. Look who finally made it to the U.S.
Hi.
Yeah, we're sorry. We have been so busy. She's been here for 3 weeks, actually. And so our plans are to post many videos. She's got so many videos, but for the past 3 weeks, we have been so busy, we've not been able to do anything. And so we decided to make this quick video just saying, hey, she's here. And we got lots of videos, and we're going to upload this one just to let everybody know that she finally made it, and LDR no more. Actually, show them your hand real quick. Yeah, we went ahead and got married, but we'll have videos on a bunch of different things. So anyway, we're getting ready to go to a friend's house right now, and another busy day. I'm on vacation, or as some people around the world call it, a holiday.
Yeah.
And we only got today and tomorrow left, and then I have to go back to work.
Mm-hmm.
So busy. But anyway, look for more videos to come.
Yeah, and we'll see you soon. We are very busy and preoccupied for many things happen, so we want to upload video as many as we can, and maybe every other 2 days. I don't know. Just
as
see
soon as
how.
we get started, because
Yeah.
she's been like renovating the house. I mean, it's been a massive overhaul. So anyway, plus she's been acclimating herself to the U.S. and been exploring lots of new things. So we've been very busy. But
Yeah.
anyway, so we want to say bye for now, because we got to be somewhere in a few minutes, and we just wanted to update everybody, let you know that she finally made it here.
Yeah, I finally made here after a long time, and with the COVID, so it's really worth the wait and everything, and the stress and everything. All this K1 visa is all worth it. So see you again soon, and watch up our video.
Bye.
Bye.